How to get infinite tokens in Blooket. Now, first things first, the tutorial that I'm going to be showing you right now is just an actual glitch. There's no need for us to go ahead and download anything or just to do any technical process for us to be able to have a cheat and have an infinite tokens on Blooket. So what you want to do first is open up Blooket.com's official site and make sure that you log into your account. And once you're here, make sure that you're currently on standby mode under the market tab. And just have it standby right there. And then all you have to do is to create a new tab on your current browser and just simply go to this website right here. I'm going to give you some time to copy and paste it so that you can go ahead and paste this on your browser. And what you want to do next is just to should be able to see get daily rewards right here once you open the URL. Now just simply click and drag this get daily rewards to your bookmarks tab, and then just simply add this specific URL to one of your bookmarks. Now next is go back to your Blooket game, and then in here just hit on play. Now right here all you have to do is just to simply open the bookmark that you just added on the second link. So you just have to keep on trying to do that until you get 500 or more tokens in Blooket. That's it. That's how you get infinite tokens in Blooket.